Have you been sued by a debt collection agency? Your heart starts racing. You wonder, am I going to lose my paycheck? Can they take money from my bank account? Should I call them and try to settle? I want you to stop right now. Don't let your mind race. Don't do anything crazy. You need to watch this video. Before you do anything, there is one mistake that will destroy thousands of cases every single year. And if you make it, it could cost you far more than the debt itself. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly what you should do first after being sued. Just in case you don't know, my name is Stephen A. Williams. I'm the founder of the Credit Repair Shop, and I'm the creator of summonsmaster.com. Every week, we hear from people who were served by companies like debt buyers, collection agencies, or original creditors. Most people panic, and panic leads people to making the wrong decision. The good news is, if you've been served, you still have options. But what you do in the next few days really does matter. Let's go through the first things you should do when being sued. The lawsuit does not automatically mean you lose the money. It doesn't automatically mean the debt collector is going to win. A lawsuit is the beginning of a legal process. The court expects both sides to participate. Unfortunately, many people become so overwhelmed that they ignore the paperwork. That single decision often leads to a default judgment. Don't just look at the front page. Read everything. Look for the deadline to respond. Who is suing you? The court where the case has been filed. The amount they are claiming in the lawsuit. Any attached account statements or contracts. These documents become the roadmap for your response. One of the biggest mistakes people make is immediately calling the collection attorney and saying, I know I owe it, I just need more time. Be very careful. You should understand your legal position before making admissions or agreeing to payment arrangements. Every case is different. There may be issues involving documentation, ownership of the debt, the amount that they're claiming, or other defenses that deserve careful review. The biggest one, the court gives you a limited time to file a response. If you ignore the lawsuit, the plaintiff may ask the court for a default judgment. After that, depending on your state laws and the facts of your case, they may pursue collection procedures such as wage garnishment, bank levies, and other collection remedies. Responding on time helps preserve your opportunity to present your side of the case. Gather everything you have: credit card statements, loan documents, collection letters, emails, settlement offers, payment records, credit reports, anything connected to the account. Many people discover mistakes only after reviewing their documents. Just because someone filed a lawsuit doesn't automatically mean every allegation is accurate. Ask yourself, do you recognize the account? Is the balance accurate? Has the debt been sold multiple times? Can the company prove it owns the account? Do the dates even make sense to you with the documents that they presented to you? These questions can be important when preparing your response. Your answer is the opportunity to respond to the allegations and raise any defenses that may apply. Waiting until the last minute increases stress and leaves less time to prepare. The sooner you begin, the more time you have to review your documents and their documents correctly. I remember speaking to someone who almost threw their lawsuit in the trash. They were embarrassed, they were scared, they hoped it would just somehow go away. Thankfully, they decided to act before the deadline. Instead of giving up before the case even started, they responded. That one decision gave them the opportunity to defend themselves rather than automatically losing by default. That's why I always tell people the worst decision is usually doing nothing. If you've been sued by a debt collection agency or an original creditor, take a deep breath. Stay organized. Read the paperwork. Protect your deadline. Prepare your response. More importantly, don't let fear make the decision for you. Knowledge and preparation are always stronger than panic. If you need help preparing a court-ready response for your debt collector lawsuit, visit summonsmaster.com, where we help people prepare customized responses based on the documents they upload, so you can respond to the deadline and have a better understanding of the allegations that are against you and a defense that will avoid a default judgment and help get you the opportunity to win your case. If you're being sued by a debt collector, visit www.summonsmaster.com.